food is a very, very essential part of how we feel every day, but it's beyond nutrition. So a lot of times when we think that we have to do something other than carbs, we think that we have to eat a lot of protein, heavy protein, meat, and things like that. But actually that might make you crave carbs more. So instead, go for legume. Do lentils or beans or things like that. Because the lentils and legumes give you the protein, but it also gives you all the fiber. And it doesn't give you this counter position. Meat, salt, and steak versus the carb, which you then end up craving when you eat too much of that heavy meat, right? So you need to do a more of a plant-based protein. That way you actually feel more balanced and you don't get to crave all those carbs. We have cooked the lentils by boiling them with garlic and lemongrass and black peppercorn. Basically, it takes about 25 minutes to cook your lentils. They don't have to be soaked overnight. You just wash them well and you put them in a pot. For example, 1 cup of lentils, you would need about 2.5 cups of water. You don't cook with any sea salt, you add it afterwards to taste. That makes them more digestible. And then we roasted some sweet potato and yam and leeks in the oven with chili flakes and savory. The whole legume family is amazing to blend in with all kinds of different meals. You can also use quinoa. Quinoa is actually a protein. It's a complete protein just like meat is. So that means it contains all the different amino acids that you need every day. There's 9 essential amino acids that you need every day. Basically, one of the things you can look for is half your plate full of green leafy or green vegetables or cruciferous vegetables. That way you get a balanced meal. This is a marinated kale. We marinate it with sea salt and lemon juice or mirin and massage it. And then we add our lentil salad on top. You can also mix it in if you prefer. It's really up to you. But this is one great way of having a nourishing meal. Because balance is indeed what we always look for, both in life but also in a meal. And so we always want to have the aspect of a lean protein, and especially plant-based protein is high in fiber. We want a carbohydrate, but a low starch, low carb carbohydrate, such as vegetables, more so than high starches such as pasta. So using our vegetables to do that. And we want a lot of green leafy vegetables.